Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share 15 amazing foods that can help boost your brain power and improve your memory. Numerous studies have found beneficial links between certain nutrients and improved memory, focus, processing speed, and even the growth of new brain cells. Incorporating more of these brain-boosting foods into your diet may improve your concentration, mental clarity, memory recall, and overall brain performance. Before jumping in, let me start with a quick disclaimer. Food is not a magic cure for cognitive decline or memory problems. Your genetics, sleep habits, exercise routine, stress levels, and overall health behaviors all play a huge role in your brain health and function. Further, no one-size-fits-all food or diet will work for every person's unique brain chemistry and needs. Certain foods work better for you than others. Please consult your physician before making major dietary changes. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. Now, let's dive right in and look at 15 top foods to boost your gray matter. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty cold-water fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, anchovies, and herring are fantastic sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These types of fats play vital roles in the structure and function of brain cell membranes. DHA, in particular, helps regulate neurotransmitters in the brain and improves the growth and development of neurons. Research has linked omega-3s to better memory, focus, processing speed, and even enhanced mood. Aim for at least 3 to 4 ounce servings of fatty fish twice per week to reap the brain benefits. However, limit intake if you are pregnant, as excessive mercury exposure from seafood can negatively impact fetal brain development. 2. Berries. Berries are nutritional rock stars when it comes to the brain. They contain unique antioxidants called flavonoids, which research suggests can boost communication between brain cells, delay brain aging, improve short-term memory, and reduce inflammation. Enjoy a variety of berries like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Eat them fresh, add them to yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or bake them into desserts. Just half a cup 2 to 3 times per week can make a difference. But moderate intake if you have a bleeding disorder, as some of the antioxidants in berries may slow blood clotting. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds deliver a powerful 1-2 punch regarding brain health. They provide plant-based protein, fiber, vitamin E, and minerals like magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Many also contain specific antioxidants that stimulate new brain cell growth and communication. Some great options are walnuts, almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, and ground flaxseed. Aim for an ounce or small handful about 4 to 5 times weekly. If you're watching your calorie or fat intake, limit portion sizes of nuts as they are high in energy. Also, avoid nuts if you have any nut allergy. 4. Green tea. Sipping green tea can provide an immediate brain boost thanks to 2 compounds it contains, caffeine and L-theanine. The caffeine provides a gentle, energizing lift, while L-theanine, an amino acid, calms some of the jittery effects of caffeine. Research also shows L-theanine may boost alpha brainwaves linked to relaxation, creativity, and improved memory. Enjoy 2 to 3 cups of unsweetened green tea daily for best results, but avoid excessive intake if you're sensitive to stimulants or have trouble sleeping. 5. Beans and legumes. Beans and lentils are excellent plant-based energy sources for the brain because of their fiber, complex carbs, and iron content. Iron carries oxygen to your brain, which is essential for energy production, concentration, and memory retrieval. Beans also provide a great combo of glucose and protein to balance energy levels. Include a variety of legumes like chickpeas, black beans, lentils, peas, and edamame in your diet for a nutritional boost. Limit portions to half a cup daily if you have digestive issues like IBS-6. Whole grains. Beans, whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, whole grain bread, and barley also deliver complex carbohydrates that give the brain a slow, steady glucose stream. Eating foods that prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar can help you avoid energy and focus crashes that can occur when your blood sugar levels suddenly drop. Whole grains also contain B vitamins, iron, zinc, and magnesium, supporting optimal brain function. Aim to make at least half your grain servings whole grain, but limit daily portions to 1 to 2 for weight management if needed. 7. Avocados. Avocados contain a powerful antioxidant called glutathione that helps support memory, focus, and overall brain health as we age. They also provide healthy fats for the brain, along with vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, and potassium. Research shows including avocados in your diet may improve blood flow to the brain. Enjoy about a quarter to half an avocado daily in guacamole, salads, smoothies, or as a spread. 8. Dark chocolate. The flavonoids in high cacao dark chocolate can provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits that may boost brain function. These compounds encourage blood flow and neuron signaling in the areas of the brain involved in attention, memory, and reaction time. Some research also indicates dark chocolate may improve visual and verbal learning. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content and limit your intake to a square or 2 per day. However, if you have caffeine sensitivity or reflux issues, it is best to avoid chocolate. Further, remember that chocolate has a higher calorie and fat content. 9. Broccoli and leafy greens. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, kale, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and others contain sulforaphane. Studies show sulforaphane has neuroprotective benefits and may support better memory retention, especially as we age. These veggies also provide vitamin K, which can help protect against cognitive decline. Aim for 1 to 2 cups cooked or 2 cups raw greens daily, but limit portions if you have an underactive thyroid. 10. Tomatoes. The vibrant red pigment that gives tomatoes their color comes from a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. Studies demonstrate lycopene helps reduce inflammation in the brain and may decrease the risk of dementia. Cooked tomatoes contain more bioavailable lycopene than raw, so enjoy roasted tomatoes sautéed in olive oil, blended into sauces, or added to soups and stews. Just watch portions if you have digestive issues like acid reflux. 11. Turmeric. The golden spice turmeric contains the compound curcumin, which can boost antioxidant activity in the brain, stimulate new brain cell growth, and improve memory and attention span. For optimal absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper. Add turmeric to veggies, soups, curries, rice dishes, eggs, and more. Limit your daily intake to 1 teaspoon if you have a bleeding disorder or take blood thinners, as curcumin can increase bleeding risk. 12. Eggs. Eggs deliver several brain-nourishing nutrients like vitamin B12 for energy production, choline to support memory and neurotransmitter function, and protein to balance energy. Enjoy up to 3 whole eggs per week and plenty of veggies and fruit for antioxidants. They make a great brain-boosting breakfast. However, limit raw egg consumption if you have a compromised immune system, and reduce egg yolks to lower cholesterol if needed. 13. Soy foods. Research indicates that soy foods like tofu, edamame, tempeh, and miso contain isoflavones, which may improve cognitive function, verbal memory, and focus, especially in middle-aged and older adults. Soy also contains vitamin K, which can help protect the brain as we age. Enjoy up to 1 to 2 servings of soy daily, but avoid if you have hormone-sensitive breast cancer or thyroid issues. 14. Olive oil. Studies show the anti-inflammatory antioxidants found in high-quality extra virgin olive oil may help improve memory and reduce the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Drizzle olive oil on salads and veggies, sauté or roast veggies, or incorporate into dressings and marinades. But limit to around 2 tablespoons daily to control calories and opt for other oils higher in omega-3s for occasional variety. 15. Yogurt. Because of its probiotic content, yogurt supports healthy gut function, which research shows can lower inflammation and oxidative stress that impact the brain. Look for unsweetened, low-sugar yogurts with live active cultures. Greek yogurt provides extra protein for balance. Stick to about 1 to 2 servings daily to get your fix of beneficial probiotics without excess calories, sugar, or fat. Avoid yogurt if you are sensitive or allergic to dairy products. There you have it, 15 of the top brain foods with science backing up their brain-boosting potential. While eating well is so key, don't forget other lifestyle habits like regular exercise, quality sleep, stress relief, and social connection also feed your brain. I hope this video gave you some new ideas on foods to incorporate more of into your regular diet. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy any other brain foods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.